Write down the coordinates of point A. So when using coordinates, we'll always put the x value first and then the y value second. Now in this question, the first thing we'll look at is the x-axis. And in order to find the coordinates of point A, we want to count along from the origin, which is this point here, 0, 0, until we reach the point A. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is the x part of this coordinate. To find the y value, we need to do the same but for the y-axis, which is this one here. So we'll do the same, we'll count down from the origin and we get -1, -2. And that gives us the second part of our coordinate. Plot the points with coordinates 2, 9. Label this point B. So as with part A of this question, we always put the x value before the y value. So because this coordinate is 2, 9, it means we'll go 2 along the x-axis and then 9 up the y-axis. So we'll count 2 along, which will give us our x value here, and then 9 up, giving us our y value there, meaning that point B is there. Does point B lie on the straight line with equation y equals 4x plus 1? You must show how you get your answer. So point B is the coordinate 2, 9, which means the x value is 2 and the y value is 9. Now in order to show whether point B lies on this straight line, we need to sub in one of these values here. Now the easiest value to use would be the x value, as it saves you from rearranging this equation, but either way would work. So we'll write y equals 4 multiplied by 2, because we're replacing this x by 2, plus 1, which, if we remember our BODMAS rules, we always do our multiplication first and then our addition. So this will give us y equals 8 plus 1, which gives us y equals 9. Now because this equation shows us that y equals 9, and the y coordinate of this point is also 9, we now know that point B does lie on this straight line. Now we get our mark from subbing in this value here. However, it's always good to write a summary statement just to conclude our answer. So all we need to write is a summary statement saying yes, point B does lie on the line with equation y equals 4x plus 1. On the grid, draw the line with equation x equals -2. So if we take a look at the grid, this is the x-axis here. Now if you find the point -2, we want to draw a line where all of the x values will be -2, which will be this line here. So make sure you draw this line with a ruler, and that's your line x equals -2.